I am from How To Taxes, and I'm here to help you prepare your Form 1040 when you made greater than $12,400 and you can be claimed as a dependent of another. The assumptions then of this video are that you had Form W-2 income of greater than $12,400, you were single, and someone else is claiming you as their dependent. This is the front page of the Form 1040. Check the box that you are single, put your name, address, and social security number at the top of the form. Under the standard deductions section, check the box that someone can claim you as a dependent. On line 1, put your wages. You can find this information from box 1 of the Form W-2 that your employer gave you. In this example, it is $14,400. Put it on line 1, and since you have no other income, carry it down to line 9 for total income. In this example, you did not make any charitable contributions, but it is new this year, and you can take up to $300. Put 0 on line 10C, and your adjusted gross income is $14,400. On line 12, we will calculate your standard deduction. Since you can be claimed as a dependent of another, you must use the standard deduction worksheet for dependents on page 32 of the Form 1040 instructions. I have summarized the worksheet for you. If you made $750 or less, your standard deduction is $1,100. If you made more than $750 but less than $12,400, your standard deduction is $350 added to your earned income. If you made more than or equal to $12,400, your standard deduction is $12,400. So in this example, your standard deduction is $12,400. Carry that to line 12 and down to line 14. Subtract it from line 11 to arrive at taxable income of $2,000 on line 15. Next, we will calculate your tax from the tax tables that begin on page 66 of the Form 1040 instructions. Since you had taxable income of at least $2,000 but less than $2,025 and you are single, your tax is $201. Carry that to line 16 and down to 18, 22, and 24 as you had no credits and no other taxes. Next, we will put your federal income tax withholding on line 25. You can find this in box 2 of the Form W-2. In this example, it is $350. Put that on line 25A and carry it to line 25D. Line 32 is 0, as you had no other payments. Line 33 will be $350. The overpayment in this example is $149. Put that on line 34 and carry that to line 35A as you would want it refunded to you. If you want it directly deposited into your bank account, check the type of account that you have on line 35C, checking or savings. And fill out your routing and account information on lines 35B and D. If you don't want it directly deposited into your bank account, cross off lines 35B and D, and the IRS will send you a check directly. Note that there's a box to the left of line 35A referring to Form 8888. You would only check this box if you want your refund deposited into more than one bank account. So usually this would be left blank. Remember to sign, date, and put your occupation at the bottom of the form. Thank you for watching. I am from How To Taxes. Subscribe for future tax videos.